This strategy is based on heikin ashi candles and moving averages. The idea behind this is to use heikin ashi candles when they turn green and are above the moving averages. Conversely, when they turn red and are below the moving averages. We will use a regular candlestick chart to avoid errors in calculations. How does it work? If there is a green or bullish heikin ashi and the EMAs are trending, we would make an entry. We can select the period of the moving averages. Another type of moving averages calculation as well. And if we want to activate a break even once the ratio with respect to the last swing of the heikin ashi candles is 1-to-1. In this example, we can see that we have an upward entry, and this is our stop loss, which is the low of this candle. Once the price reaches a 1-to-1 ratio, the stop loss moves to the entry price, and from there it will trail with the moving averages. The trade will close only if the price closes below the value of the previous moving average to avoid repaint calculations. In the settings, we can also choose a take profit based on ratio, for example, by selecting a 1-to-4 ratio. This would be our stop loss and our take profit, but we can see in the curve that it changes the results significantly. That is why it is disabled by default, but it can be perfectly activated according to preferences. In the indicator, we can choose if we only want long positions, short positions, or both. If we activate only longs, the curve will change. Depending on the time frame we are in, for example, in 4 hours, if we change it to long and short, we see that more trades are executed. But we can see how the profit factor changes. For this reason, it is important to determine where the market is going to activate this type of bot. We also have a custom test period to test the strategy within a specific date range, and also the option to send these signals to the DCA bots of 3 commas. In this tooltip, we can read the instructions as well as in the description of the indicator. If we activate this check, we can see the messages that will be sent to the 3 commas bots. We can manage both long and short bots with the same indicator. In these text boxes, we should paste the messages provided when creating the DCA bots. And to create the alert, as well as if we want to activate take profit and stop loss, or manage them in 3 commas. To create an alert for this indicator, we just need to right-click on the chart, add alert, select the indicator, and select alert function call only. Activate the webhook from 3 commas. Then we go back, choose any name we want, and press create.